I bought new softbox company Triopo, and today we do unboxing and we will be do test how we can use this softbox with flashlight and studio lights. Let's go! If you don't know me, I am Monica, food and product photographer, and here on my YouTube channel I teach photography behind the scene, teach how to photography food, how to styling the food, how to photography product, how to styling the product, how to work with one lamp, studio lights, and how to work with artificial light. But today we will be talk about this Octagon Softbox, what I bought the company Triopo. Is cage 390. 90 is the how big is the softbox. You can buy small, bigger, 120, 90, 60, 65, 45 probably the same if I don't make mistake, but I chose 19. And what we have in the box? We have a bags, amazing, nice bags, easy to pack in a softbox and take with us when we go on photo shoot or some restaurant or something like that. Because I bought this softbox exactly to use when I will be photographing in a restaurant mostly, or I must do photography outside somewhere with new clients. What is included in the box? We have like the softbox. This is a softbox, Octagon softbox. Will be show how to use. Here we have a material, diffuser, and we have one and two diffuser material, and we have something else. This is the bow and mount what you install on the softbox, and here you can install your lamp. That is including in this lamp when came. I don't see here honeycomb. When I looking for online this softbox, there wasn't including the honeycomb, but for me it's no problem. But believe me, you can buy separation the honeycomb, or you can buy this setup with honeycomb if you want. Okay, left here the stuff first, and now we check how we open this softbox. Like you see here, it's so easy, and like you see the softbox is not so big, and we open, we make a dot, we take this side, and I see, and we must press strong this hole here. I make it better for me, and not that strong. Oh, and that we set up as of softbox. Here is some metal, and you must push this and put the metal in its clip. That's work this softbox. It's good softbox for restaurant. Inside is like silver, outside is black. It's good material, really good material. Like you see guys here, it's so easy set up this softbox. Good material, it's metal. It's not that heavy, but it's very good quality, the softbox. Why I bought this softbox and I didn't buy company Godox is only that reason, because I cannot find the softbox what have separation bow and mount. What here is like I have this bow and mount different, and here is only the softbox. When you set up later, you install here this bow and mount. Here is like something metal. You push this metal. I show you. You push this metal here, the bottom, and you install your bow and mount here, and that is all job what you do. And this is install bow and mount is metal. Everything is metal. Is strong. Is good. Really good. 19 centimeters. I think it's perfect for me for photography in the restaurant. But before I will be set up here the soft material, I want to remind you, you can download free ebook toolkit when you start photography on white background and you don't know which background choice, lamp or something. This is free ebook exactly about this toolkit, and the link for the download this ebook you find below. That's back for this softbox. We will be set up here around the soft material. Diffuser would give us soft light. We have two. One is smaller, and second is bigger to the front, is perfect because you need that two. If you put two, believe me, it's better than one, the diffuser, because your light is more soft. I before was lazy one times, I didn't set up two, I set up only one, and that's material. And one times I think I check this and put two diffuser material, and believe me, my lights really was soft, more soft, and looks better with two diffuser material. Another diffuser material we set up on the top is big and it's easy to set up. You set up like every that's material here on the middle, and you go around with this. More easy setup, believe me. This is not hard. Probably if I will go to the restaurant and must shoot in the restaurant, take me maybe 5 minutes to set up this softbox, or less than 5 minutes. And I can use this with flashlights, what was very important for me, because I won't start to use flashlight in restaurant when I will be work now. And studio lights here in my studio. That looks the softbox, like you see, the material. Like I say, it wasn't including honeycomb, but I think will be no problem. Now we set up with the lights and see how looks everything. Now I show you how to install the lamp. I have lamp Godox SL60W. We have always this hole here, the hole coming for this, like normal, each lamp always. I check only where I have this. Easy peasy, and you clip, and that's. And you really can use this, so we can easy, like now, put the lamp on the stand and use this with the softbox. Easy, everything is okay. But I show you how is with flashlight, what was very important for me. We remove this lamp, that, and when I will be use the flashlight, I will be use this flash mount time, bow and mount, and one is the old type, and this is the new for my new lamp Godox. That was very important for me. I can set up this and this here and use. That is no problem. I show you. I can easy set up, use, put on the stand, and use with my flashlight here. We can easily set up this softbox on a stand. This is normal stand, nothing special, nothing expensive. And now we can easy use softbox with us lamp. I will be put in the back the lamp. I have flashlight Godox V100. This was very important for me because I can remove this part and set up here my lights. That's I looking for something to here to set up my lights with this softbox. This bow and mount you can set up with Godox lights, flash studio lights, with more the lamp, not only Godox company. And I'm happy I can use studio lights and flash lights the same. And second, I can take with me on the shoot because it's easy to set up quickly, open, close. If I need to take with me, don't take too much space. You have nice bags, and that's things. One thing what is minus here, what I can say on this softbox, I don't have the grid here, honeycomb grid. That is one minus. And another minus what I see, people have already this setup, the bounce mount for flashlights here, but I didn't want to buy that because the new Godox V100 is completely different. This softbox is done long time ago. That's I think I want to buy something what is separation, not together. I can set up my bow and mount here and put different things, not together one setup. That was better for me, and this is not one pieces together. That is what I think for beginning is it's minus, but it's plus. But let me know you use this softbox or not before. It's good because for me everything looks good. It's easy to set up. I can take with me a lot of plus than minus, and that's, I think I will be use this softbox long time.